hello and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daily, and exciting news today. Well, boring bit, we're putting the interior back in the car. It looks minty, currently sitting on the driver's seat. And we also have, I gave a hint kind of in the last one, of top quality treasure. Well, I'm just going to insert some music and a picture here. Now, when I got the golf, I commented on one of Al's videos and he said to me that he might have some top quality treasure, and I was like, oh. And he said, send me a message, so dropped him an email, and he replied back, he said, yeah, he said, I have a set of Ronalds there with your name on it and a new old stock wing. And I was like, excuse me, really? And I had to read it back twice or three times. But cut a long story short, there was a recent competition prize, and Claire and Conrad, or Con for short, who's also a subscriber, thank you very much, you two, they actually smuggled, we'll say, the wheels back into Ireland for us, and we drove down to Limerick's Bay and collected them. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick in the interior, and we're going to stick one of the wheels on the car and see how it looks. I can't put one on the front because the whoever took off the wheels last snapped all the studs, so there's nowhere to put the wheel, but we might put it up against it just to get an idea. So come on, follow us. Right, I got too excited. I have to show you these. Look at them. Al Hamsley, thank you very much for this. Give a subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description below. But look at them. Wait till you see them on the car. Now look at them. I'm going to have to insert this in after I put all this in, because you'll just stop the video. I'm going to stick these up on the lapses when I'm doing this, because there's no point in you staring at me doing it, and the lighting is piss poor as well. So come on, you have to admit, that looks $1 million. Also, for some reason, with the way the light is coming in, this looks like it was filmed on a potato. I do apologise for that. Right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put a bit of grease on the rails where the seats sit. I had a lot of problems getting them out, and looks like I have a first guest already here. Socks is coming for a nose around to see what it's like now. I think I was making that more awfully complicated than it was, but that's one seat on, and what you have when you slide it in then is you have a bolt that goes in here, and it just stops the seat going back too much. But that's in and that's solid. It looks 10 times better. Now let's go with the passenger side. Right, shop cat approves, daughter approves. I'm going to stick that seat in. It's awkward to try and get an angle at this one, so we'll get that in, bring us for a walk around the interior and see what you think. Right, I think this is part of the video everyone is here to see. So, ta-da! Now, obviously I haven't fitted the centre thingamajig in. I did get it dirty, so I put my foot in it. But it's just a couple of trims. That door won't open. I don't know why. You can see it's just, I don't know, I'd say I'm probably going to have to screw the lock off and pull it from the inside or something like that, but worry about that another day. Interior's minty, looks lovely. You can kind of see it in the back. Hang on, I'll open the boot for you. Oh, falling in the meantime. Now, it's not 110%, But can anyone remember how bad that seat, these seats and interior actually was? Anyway, I'll shut up. Let's get one of these Ronalds on and have a look. Right, they are on it. Wait until you see the transformation. Now, that hub is banjaxed. There's 4 snapped studs on it, so yeah, that wheel won't go on. But wait until you see this. That is absolutely fucking stunning. Excuse my French. Al Hamsley, thank you very much. Thank you very, 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 very much. You're just after completely changing this project. Have a quick look at the inside. Look at that. Now, while I have you, don't go anywhere for a second. I am in the middle of, excuse the stupid angles. So this is like this, okay? Now I have the video shot, but I'm putting this video out first. So we got the engine all back together. We tried to get the sparkles. And then the, what's it called? Starter solenoid decided to pack up. So even with the ignition off, every time I switch on the battery. So I am waiting for a starter solenoid for this before I can go any further with it. So we're going to park it here now, but I'm just going to say what a way to park it. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Right, maybe in the numpty that I am, forgot to shoot the outro. So, what did you think? I actually can't get over the wheels. I think they're unreal, and the interior back into it, and that really kind of makes it feel like a car now, rather than just a box of bolts and a crappy interior. But wheels look great. Car's starting to come back. Catch us in the next one, guys. Again, thanks very much, Al. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share amongst your friends. I'll catch you in the next one.